this is a revolting development. Well, that's 14 feet of septic tank. Yep. And pipe to pipe it in. And the pieces for the weeping bed. We've got a whole thing being replaced. So, yeah, part of the reason I haven't been releasing too much is because things have been just too dang busy around here. There's the old tank. 1960s technology, no longer viable. And the whole weeping bed is just clogged right up. Let's go inside. Oh, all kinds of different noises around here. What else has been going on around here? Not too much upstairs. But one job I did do is I changed this window. I actually built the windows. So the windows are just made out of 2x4s and 2 panes of glass. And in between I put a 2x6 or a 2x8, and that's insulated behind there. And 3 sections, which is a lot better than that red stuff plastic that was there. And trimmed it out. Oh gosh. The lighting's not that great, but oh, come on, let's get some ISO happening here. Just a second. I don't know if I can change this on the fly. No, I can't. But hopefully that shows up somewhat. It's not going to cooperate with the light. But there we go. There's the trim I did, all in cedar. So yeah, added a little fridge and another Keurig coffee maker there, and a little snack bar for our guests. Just a short one today. Another window that I replaced again. Leftover 2x4s reclaimed, and the glass that was used to be in the upstairs windows. I haven't trimmed that out yet. Oh yeah, and took out the ceiling, and we put the light bulb in there. I went and bought a whole bunch of cedar for trim, but obviously priorities have changed. So I've got a bunch of cedar here. It was all in one stack, but I was digging through it to make the other trim. I had to go down to my longer pieces, naturally. Yeah. Roof's still not finished. My contractor stopped showing up. The bum. Which is okay anyways, because you can come back here. He did a terrible job. He hasn't put the cap on. He hasn't put the flashing on. The same guy we had to do the windows in here. And the windows, all 5 of these on the front so far, I've taken out and put back in. Wonderful, isn't it? he didn't put them in with the wall on, he put them in plumb this way, in and out, and didn't follow the wall. So I would have had to make long narrow strips up each edge with a taper in them. It's like, and it would have stuck out like a sore thumb. So, and the insulation he put in there was just like totally minimal. Spray foam insulation that was only like, oh, I don't know, maybe that much in spots. So we ended up taking them all out, all 5 of these, and now they're spray foamed nicely. And they're in with the wall. You can see that they're going to be much easier to trim out now. And of course I had to reconstruct some of the things that he put in there. He put a 2x4 spacer in here, and it wasn't with the wall either. So things have been busy and expensive, and I just haven't had time to do anything. So a quick update on things. We're getting a new weeping system, whole new septic system put in, and we're fixing things that were messed up by the contractor, the other contractor. Other than that, oh, my legs are killing me, because to explore everything, I had to dig out that part of that old septic system, and I did some of it by hand, and I did some of it with a machine that I rented, and that was expensive. So here they gotta change the downpipe there. It's too low in the ground, actually, so they're gonna come out through the wall over there somewhere. And the rooms are doing okay. Other changes we did in here, we put a TV up here. Maybe get some light on in here. There we go. We put a TV up in there, just a Roku hooked up to our network. And we changed over to a full-size fridge in here. Which reminds me, this is the fridge we had upstairs. And we didn't like the sounds it was making. Oh, just turn off the lights behind me. I'm just a little bit scattered. So, the toilet and everything is functioning over there pretty well. That's going okay. That worked out well. I'm all over the place today because I can't get thoughts together. And I figured I'd give you a quick tour and update. So anyways, we brought our upstairs fridge downstairs. And we bought a new one. Here. We brought a new fridge. And it is a Midea. And we bought it from The Brick. And it makes strange noises too. And the shelf broke on it. I had to fix that. And we just found out that it's not sealing along this edge at all. At all. And there's no like customer service from either The Brick or Midea. It's like just stupid. They wanted to send me a new gasket kit, and I said, no, just replace the whole thing. I said I wanted my money back, but they don't do that. But this whole gasket here doesn't even touch here. And I mean, look at the ice up here already. So, just crazy. Talk about a piece of crap. So, the other thing that was, we had ordered a couple of chairs, and it was going to take like months to come in. Oh, they're on sale, but they're back ordered after we ordered them. And it's just, the service at The Brick is just non-existent. Customer service is terrible. And between that and Midea warranty is just totally terrible. So, yeah. Little fridge. that was downstairs we brought upstairs with the extra Keurig in it for people staying. Well, things are slowly getting worked around. We're hoping we're at the end of the big expenses now. We're getting close to it. Hopefully this is the last big hurdle. And there's our guy in the hole, getting it ready for the whole new septic system. Okay, today's June 4th. Just a very quick update. Oh, that window is so much nicer than those red panels that were in there before. Anyways, I got things to do and very boring and not worth video. So I'm going to upload this and call it a day for filmmaking. I will be back at it sometime in the future. But I'm not guaranteeing anything right now. I've just got too many things on my plate to be playing with the camera. Oh. Anyways, thanks for dropping by. Thanks for your support and sticking around with me. We'll see you on the next one, whenever that comes out.